Namaste and welcome. Though today my to-do list is overflowing, I am starting with something simple, picking few dried leaves off my plant. Over the time I have learned that plant needs just 10 minutes of daily care to thrive. Breakfast is idli today, paired with my favorite spicy chutney, a fiery blend of peanut butter, coconut, garlic, onion, and red chili. I have written a detailed recipe in the description box for all of you. On top of my idlis, I will sprinkle this powder that I made in my last video and shared it with all of you. I call it as magical powder because it adds flavor and multiple nutrients to our simple, boring daily food. After breakfast, it's time to pick that sun-dried curry leaf that I left yesterday. It has dried completely, and this method keeps them vibrant, flavorful for weeks. Sunshine, I think, is nature's best preservative. Don't you think so? If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. Do share your feedback in the comment section. I reply to every single comment.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
There are multiple little tasks on my to-do list, including putting the vegetables in the refrigerator and putting fruits in the fruit bowl. This fruit bowl is a DIY that I created in one of my videos, and I will leave the link in the description and in the I button. After breakfast, I tackled one of the most procrastinated tasks, the deep cleaning of my kitchen, using vinegar and plain water with my trusty microfiber cloth made everything so much easier. Artwork in photo frames are my favorite way to decorate a kitchen. Reason being, it's super easy to clean. In the morning, we sliced few pomegranate and all the fruits, and the splashes are everywhere.
Live your truth, and good will come to you. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home.
This microfiber cleaner is one of my most favorite finds actually. It has helped me to clean my home so fast, and it reaches almost all the nook and crannies of the kitchen where I don't think my hands could reach. This is the amount of debris lying under the fridge. Imagine. Would it be my own kitchen, I would not add these profile handles. Somehow they catch so much dust and debris each time. Soon it was lunchtime and I made a simple, humble curd rice. I was too tired to make anything. It is actually perfect recipe for busy days. We actually make yogurt at home in a very traditional way, and it's the highlight of the dish, I feel. The yogurt that you use should be creamy, not too watery, and it should not be sour at all. So best is use the fresh yogurt. I like to spice my curd rice with different spices like salt, black salt, roasted jeera powder, roasted coriander powder, red chili powder, and I will also add few aromatics like ginger, and you can chop finely ginger. I like to grate it, but I feel the main flavor is in the tadka. You can also add a finely chopped red chili or green chili to the yogurt mix directly. I prefer to add the powder, but the star is this desiccated coconut powder. It really adds the flavor. We'll make a quick tadka using black mustard seeds, hing. I'll also add some nigella seeds, chana dal, red chili, and then once the tadka is done, I'll sprinkle some black and white sesame seeds and chop my coriander leaves with my scissors. And I will sprinkle the same powder that I mentioned before. I like to add some peanuts, roasted ones. Anshuman does not like it, so I will not add to his, but in my you can see some peanuts as well. If you enjoyed today's video, then you will definitely enjoy my zero cost kitchen organizer video, where I have shared some of my most favorite zero cost organizer that I use on everyday basis in my kitchen. I hope this video motivates you to tick off something from your to-do list today. If you would like to learn more about this magical powder, then please check the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.
If we know what's best for one another, are we just another prize?